Alright, so here I've got the Schluter curdy line grate that we have purchased for our new shower that we're remodeling. You can see I've already got the channel body installed. This was a separate kit. Here is the grate itself. You can see has a frame with it that will go into the channel body, and then it has the actual grate itself. We went for one with a nice black matte finish, just a solid, sleek look here. Looks to be constructed really well. Nice heavy duty metal, I'm assuming stainless. And then with it, it also came with some items that you'll use to install the frame into the channel body. That'll be installed alongside the tile just to make sure everything lines up nice and flush. Then a little tool here, I'm assuming that's just kind of to help lift the grill out when you need to clean the drain. And then a little foam insert that goes into the channel body during installation just to keep things steady. It'll get removed after install is complete. Installation was pretty straightforward. At this stage, I'm just troweling on thin set to the underside of the frame and getting that set in place to the channel body. After setting the frame in place in the channel body, we then applied a little more thin set around the edges just to provide a nice secure base to the frame. So here we're putting in the foam spacer to provide support along the frame. As the thin set cures, we want to make sure the frame holds its shape, and so the spacer provides that support. Using the levelers that came with the kit were very easy, and they helped adjust the frame to the height of the tile, which is important. You want to make sure the frame is just slightly lower than the adjacent tile so that the water can freely drain through the grate. And the levelers helped achieve that. Alright, so I've got the linear drain installed now, and here's how it looks. This is before any grouting and still have to finish the wall, but you can see it has a pretty sleek design here. And then the surface between the grate frame and the tile, totally flush and level there. And that was with the help of the little leveling feet that came with the kit. So overall, very easy to install. This is the first one I've installed, and it's looking good. And so after getting the shower tiled and grouted, you can see just how sleek this linear drain from Schluter looks. This is again the black matte finish. It goes great with other black matte fixtures we have. This is the Delta product here. It matches well. This is the Woodbridge shower door system. The rail and all the hardware is black matte. So the linear drain complements everything really well in here. It comes with a little tool if you want to lift up the grate itself. You can then get down to the strainer, clean that out, clean the channel body out. So very easy. And then this just simply drops back into place. You see here in action, we've got the shower running, and with the linear drain, the pan here is all sloped in a single direction down towards it. You can see the water in the shower, it's not cooling up, it's just going right down the drain there. So. So you can see it, it's just continuing to flow and drain in there very nicely, smooth. I do like the frame around the grate here. It lines up really well with the wall tile, so just gives a nice, good look to everything. Clean lines, clean joints. This is a nice durable powder coat finish on the grate here, so you have confidence that it's not going to rust or eat away through exposure with water and shampoos and things like that. So very good looking durable product that we look forward to getting many years of use out of. Overall, we're very pleased with how this linear drain turned out. It's the first one that we have in the house like this, and it just adds a sense of luxury to the shower. It's a small shower to begin with, and so we were trying to do something just to kind of elevate the experience, and I feel like this achieves that.